Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded and I said that I'd maintain a better schedule, but I kind of fell off. School's been like really hectic and we've had exams and other stuff, so yeah. But I'm finally uploading again, so I guess that's good. So today I decided I'm going to show you how to make an Illenium style feature based track. So I guess I'll first just play the track out for you, like the build and the drop, and then I can go through how I made it. Basically, what does Illenium have? He has really emotional chords to begin with, so that's what I have in this piano roll right over here. And you need a real instrument. You can either choose a piano or a guitar. It just needs to be really soothing. So these are the chords that I've gone with. That's it, and that's just repeated throughout. Then another thing which Illenium has, he has many atmospheric sounds like that. I have this pad which is just in the right key. To be honest, I have no idea what key this is. I just wrote the song and yeah. And he also has these like cinematic impacts, like these deep ones like this. So yeah, that's the verse section. Then I have snaps. I just added this block, which is just, yeah, it's just a block with some auto pan on it. Nothing special there. When you go to the build, I have an occasional drum kick in. You can see over there that kick which comes in every once in a while, and then there's this snare which Illenium always uses this type of pattern like ta 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 ta. That's like this piano roll right here, which sounds like this. I guess that emotion or something, I have no idea, but like that's the snare which he uses, and it starts building up. Along with the snare in the build, I have the kick speed up as well. And then right before the drop, I have this short fill. That's also a sound which Illenium uses quite a lot, this type of a fill. Yep, and that's what do I have here? I have claps. This is a loop which I chopped up. I forgot where the loop's from. I think it's from Ecology drum kit. Yeah, the EK loops clap 90, and I chopped it up and consolidated it and sounds like this. This is really soft. It just adds a little bit of atmospheric element. I have a few of the chords which start coming in from the drop. Which are low passed, which just slowly fade in. Then I have some uplifters. Which all sidechain to the kick. And that's the whole build. And then I got a few of my friends, we got together and we recorded vocals for this track, which when you add them in, it sounds like this. If you fall off right now,
put you on your way down.
So in terms of the vocal processing, there's one main.
Oh no, if you fall off right now.
And there's these harmonies.
Oh no, if you fall off right now.
One then span to the left
Oh no,
and one to the right. And so yeah, that's how my vocals sound wide. And then so that's the build up complete. Then we go on to the drop. Illenium likes using really large kicks, so that's what I have over here. It's from the Echo Soundworks Illenium kit. I've just done some EQing here to make it slightly cleaner. Then I have snares, but apparently I'm not using all of them. I'm only using this one finally. Even this just has some reverb, some ODT, some more EQing, and some more reverb. So that's what that sounds like. Then yeah, so that's the drums. So that's pretty simplistic. Then in the second half of the drop, I add this tom fill along with the drums, just like this. So there's a low cut on the drums while it's transitioning, and then there's a tom fill which comes in, and along with those drums comes in a hi-hat. On the offbeat, and throughout the drop I also have this crash going. That basically hits every time the chords are hitting, this crash plays and then it reverses into itself. And then as the sub bass, I have this distorted sub, which is in Serum. Really simple, you can just copy the preset. Along with this fat track, which I think I made this from an Academy FM live streaming, and this is what it sounds like. It makes it much thicker, and it does some EQing on it. That's my sub bass. Then we go on to the drop synths. There's 4 layers. First one's this high layer. It just saws, which are detuned quite a bit with some reverb and multi-band compression. And I've EQ'd them and added the harsh effect to make them wider. Then second layer of saws. It's like really distorted, and this is what gives it lots of body. So what I was actually doing when I was making the track was, as a joke, I was trying to just make the whole drop out of one serum. That's why I made this audio effect rack, and I was just trying to make the whole track out of this one serum. But then like after that, obviously I wanted to make the track properly, so I just messed with it a little more, and I was able to use that to make a very thick sound. So it really just gets out all the distorted frequencies. There's another serum, which is the mid saw this time. It looks like this. It has a square wave instead of a saw wave for the second oscillator, and it sounds like this. That has lots of the body to the sound. And then there's a hover, which sounds like this. So yeah, and then all those are going through this long processing chain. I don't know what I've done. Let's see, some glue compression, some multi-band compression. OTT, I've turned that off. Delete that, I can delete that. There's some EQing. Delete that, some more EQing, just a low cut, some reverb, some more multi-band compression, some more EQing, some filter for the build up. Then this is gonna be for the build up again. I'm changing the volumes. This is the sidechaining setting that I've used. It's quite intense, the sidechain. That gives you the whole bouncy feeling which Illenium has in its tracks. So yeah, that's pretty much the drop layer, the drop chords. Oh yeah, so what this particular reverb does is, if you hear the drop synths, during this one blank space, there's like a reverb envelope type of thing that opens out. So that's what this reverb is doing. I've automated it to come on during that time. and it has that tail, so it just makes it more exciting. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. Master chain, I have my regular master chain, which I always use, this future based master chain. I've gone through some of my other videos with isotope ozone for the limiting. On these settings, you can just pause it if you want to copy it. So that is how to Illenium. You can check out this song on SoundCloud now. It's just hit around 40,000 plays. Like, thank you so much for that. I know like this tutorial is quite long overdue because the song is now decently old. I think I made it 1 or 2 months ago, I don't remember anymore. But yeah, so I'll leave the SoundCloud link in the description, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.